like a whole new day out here.
Yeah, we will.
Whoa.
See a little kicker down there?
Oh yeah. This sounds good right here. This is like
Yeah, this is good.
This is a good part right here. Yeah. Yeah. Avalanche! 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 Anyone see G-Man? G-Man! Oh my God! Clemmy! G-Man's bird! Clemmy, grab tools! I'm on search. 7.8, 7.5, 2.85. Clemmy, switch to search. I got 9. Am I picking up Clemmy? I got 4 or 5.
You on
3.
I'm on search.
I'm right here. 2, 1, 9.
Hit pro, we shovel. What?
Shit. One 5, 1 1 1.
Yeah, we're using right here.
It's right here.
Right here.
Right here.
We shovel. We shovel. Yeah, we shovel right here. Dude.
Do we have a mark?
Yeah, he's right here.
Right here. We got a jacket. We got a jacket.
Oh, gotta get her.
Hold on, G-Man.
Back it in. Come on, dude.
Get his head out. There's his head. We got you, G-Man. G-Man.
Mouth up.
Breathe, G-Man, breathe. Oh my God. Oh my God, grab more gear. Good search, boys, good search, come on. Yeah, I did, thank you. I tried to watch him. I could see he was getting in there. We got it.
I saw it swiping as I stuck to my arm.
Escalator, come on. Go.
I gotta find my...
Clear downhill climbing.
That whole slope flew,
Yeah.
came down,
Whole fucking thing.
and caught us midway.
Okay.
We got G-Man in the hole. We found enough, so he's good.
Are you breathing okay, G-Man? Can you talk? G-Man. Okay,
good.
Good. We got you. Is your arm okay? You alright? Right there?
We still got the board on.
Yeah, let's get his board on.
bet, dude.
Oh my God. Woo.
We just did what you do for us, bro.
It's alright, G-Man. Fuck. Oh. Oh my God.
That was huge, dude.
Alright?
Yeah.
Fucking hey, dude. I saw him and I just saw him go. I saw you go under right there.
Burley, come on.
Oh. Oh. Holy shit, you alright? Totally good.
We should probably get out of here because that top slope is.
Holy
This is the one that's gonna slide.
Well, the one on top
This is the steepest fucking part.
This is the one. Look at the fucking
that
fracture
crap.
point.
The only one that I thought about when I was cutting across it.
Well, I
But
saw
this
it all
isn't the
poof.
best fucking idea.
As you did your hit, he came down. I still sitting
You
up.
meant, dude, without you yelling, it wouldn't be it. Cause I heard it. You say it, and I heard it coming. So, and I just saw G-Man. I saw him going under. So I was watching him, trying to find a mark while getting out. But dude, I ended up right here, like.
Yeah, dude, that's brilliant.
Good job, you guys.
Let's not do that again.
Jesus fucking Christ, guys. Holy fuck. No, that's why we had it. That's why I was like, go get gear, go get gear. That's a hot moment, dude. That was fucking hot.
I'd say that was